Hi guys, so in this episode we're going to learn how to download and install Python on Windows and then on Mac and Linux. So please open your browser and search python.org. And now here we press download and download Python. And here's the newest version. If you can see, it's 3.14. And if you have the other type of version of Python free, don't worry because the terminology is the same. But something that you need to take care of is that your Windows shouldn't be Windows 7 or below Windows 7. So here we're going to just open the application and install it. So right now here, just make sure that on Windows you press this button that says add Python to this path. Press it. And now the installation begins. And now let's wait so the installation finishes. So now let's just check if the installation has been successful on your device. So just press the search bar of your Windows on the bottom and search CMD and click it. So the command prompt open. So basically this black screen is called command prompt, and if you are not familiar with it, in this course we're going to learn some basic and some background information about it, as you need to know as a Python engineer. So we are going to put this code python space dash dash version, and here should appear the version Python that you have installed on your Windows. As you can see, the installation has been successful, but if it doesn't appear for you, don't worry, because this happens frequently and we are going to talk about it in the next episode, so don't worry. So guys, basically this is the first code we learn here on CMD, Python space dash dash version. So now we're going to install it on Mac and the same on Linux, and which is more easier than Windows. Just download the same process, the Python from python.org. You don't need to press anything at all. So when it's over the installation, let's check if the installation has been successful. So just here press command and space to open Spotlight search. And now on a Spotlight search, search the word terminal and open terminal. So right now we can see that terminal on Linux and Mac is the same as command prompt on Windows. So to check if your version of Python and if the installation has been successful, search Python free space dash dash version. Okay, as you can see, it's successfully installed. But something you need to be careful. Just here, the code has been Python free, not just Python. If you search Python space dash dash version, it will appear the Python 2 version of your system, which we don't have it. Okay, guys, thank you. Let's go for the next episode.